Alright guys, so here we have the 2021 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide, and this is the updated video. So I guess I really wasn't paying attention last night when I thought I could just take it off the differential. The belt actually goes through the swing arm, so what you have to do is you have to separate the axle, the tensioner blocks here, and then you can kind of finagle it through the parking brake assembly and the caliper, and that's pretty much it. You do kind of want to push it back, the axle, so you can have a little bit more clearance to pull the differential forward, and that way you can kind of snake the belt out. That's pretty much it. This is the update, and pretty much most of the other directions are in the other video, so thanks for watching.